Antores, our former watcher. Also our faculty members, reviewers, students, and also our parents. A pleasant good evening to all of you. Congratulations on passing the city importance. So, ito yung araw nyo, no? And this Monday, you were on taking ceremony, and proud CPA. No? Your hard work and dedication have truly paid off. First of all, I would like to congratulate first your parents. So, please stand all the parents stand up. Particularly for the CPP, kung wala sila, wala din kayo dito. Congratulations to the parents. So, this